In today's video, I'm going to show you how to screenshot on Windows 11 or 10 PC. So it's very simple and easy. So let's get started. So in here, you'll be needing to hold Windows icon, plus at the same time, press on the G. Once done, this will appear on your screen. So click on capture. So as you can see here at the other side, there it says capture. Just go ahead and click that one. You can see here your screenshot is already recorded. To view your screenshot, you just have to click this one, show all captures, and here are all your screenshots you just made by using this technique. And that's it. That's how to screenshot on Windows 11 or 10 PC. So if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.